Welcome back. CNFC Media, under its NGO arm, JSR Foundation, has initiated Lightening Lives of Rural India program to provide energy access to unelectrified rural population for empowering their lives and connecting them to the mainstream of development. Through this initiative, JSR Foundation aims to lighten almost 10,000 unelectrified rural households in different parts of the country through solar-based microgrid system.
While government is making full efforts to provide at least some minimum power to every household, any initiative taken by any organization or the private sector in this regard is a very welcome step. We want a large number of companies to come forward and to work for providing energy in rural areas. One very major thing which is happening in the country right now is the use of CSR funds. While it is estimated that maybe 10 to 12,000 crore rupees would be available under CSR, we want that at least 2-3,000 crores every year should go into providing energy access in the country.
A bigger challenge is to develop a lucrative or at least viable business model around distributable generation, especially in rural areas. Limited rural income generally can only cover operating costs and some equity, leaving the majority of the initial capital expenditure to be supported by the grants and contribution from corporate world.
I think the new Company Act, under which the CSR has become mandatory, and every corporate has to spend certain percentage of their revenue towards CSR, and whereby the environmental sustainable solution is one such activity. I really strongly like to endorse the use of corporate funds for putting and setting rural electrification.
This effort can't be successful without gratifying cooperation of the corporate world and their generous support. We want corporates to adopt these clusters of villages under their CSR activity and lighten their homes with clean and green energy. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has extended its support to the program and would provide 30% subsidy support on total project cost after completion.
JSR Foundation has taken a very good initiative, and it is trying to go into remote areas in the country to provide energy through setting up of microgrids and mini grids. It's trying to involve some good companies in this field, and I wish them all luck and good luck and success in the future. And from this ministry, we will try to support them through whatever schemes we have, where we provide some 30% subsidy for such initiatives based on use of solar energy. I think this is something which will not only cover some of these villages which this foundation is taking up, but it will also provide good publicity and set good examples for others, so that others can also come forward.
JSR Foundation, with support of corporate world under their CSR initiative, would provide clean energy access to the rural people residing in remote areas. Our aim is to provide at least 5 to 6 hours of reliable electricity supply to these unelectrified villages, and thus bringing a change in their lives by providing them with a basic need of electricity access.
Many corporates, they just do they open schools and hospitals and health centers and all that. Those are good things also. But people should also see that there are large area of society, country which no electricity. And if these corporate under their CSR program can electrify villages, 1 village, 2 villages, 10 villages, depending on how much money they want to put for this project, that would go a very long way in bringing light in the life of these people.
We make an appeal to the corporate to adopt these villages under Lightening Lives of Rural India initiative for setting up a decentralized solar microgrid system for providing electricity for the lighting need.
Corporate social responsibility towards providing power through microgrids or through GSR initiative is an excellent idea, and I am sure large number of corporates would come forward to empower rural households.
Solar energy can be crucial in ameliorating rural India's energy woes. With thousands of unelectrified villages, there is still a long way to go. And therefore, with every village we light up, we would be motivated to go a step further. To support this program, you can write to us at jsrfoundation2013@gmail.com and call us on 011-405-60706. With this, we come to an end of this episode of Power News. Keep sending us your suggestions and views. We'll be back next week with more news and updates. Till then, goodbye and take care.